Namaste and welcome back to our second lesson on learning Hindi through English. In our first lesson, we covered easy phrases for beginners. Now we are going to build on that foundation and learn some essential phrases for everyday conversation. In this lesson, we'll be focusing on greetings, introductions, negation, personal pronouns, and stating where you are from. These are all fundamental elements of any language, and mastering them will give you a solid base for further Hindi learning. Get ready to impress your Hindi-speaking friends with your newfound language skills. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to greet people, introduce yourself, and even have a simple conversation. So, are you excited to dive in? Let's start. Greetings are the foundation of any interaction, setting the tone for the conversation that follows. They are the first step in building a connection with someone, whether it's a friend, a colleague, or a stranger. We touched on it on the last lesson, but let's dive into the meaning of the greeting itself. In Hindi, greetings carry deep cultural significance and are often accompanied by gestures that convey respect and warmth. The most common greeting in Hindi is Namaste and Namaste. This gesture involves placing your palms together in front of your chest and slightly bowing your head. Namaste is widely used even in Western cultures, especially in yoga and meditation communities. Its roots are deeply embedded in Indian tradition. Namaste is a respectful greeting that can be used at any time of day, with anyone, regardless of their age or social status. It translates to, "I bow to you," acknowledging the divine spark within each of us. Another common greeting is Namaskar, which is slightly more formal than Namaste. Namaskar is often used in formal settings, such as business meetings or official events. Remember, a warm smile and confident body language can make your greetings even more impactful. Practice these greetings and use them whenever you get a chance. The more you use them, the more natural they will feel, and the more confident you will become in starting conversations with anyone, anywhere. Now that we know how to greet someone, let's learn how to introduce ourselves. Introducing yourself is a fundamental part of making new connections and building relationships. In Hindi, you can introduce yourself by saying Mera naam, your name. Hi, Mera naam, Aapka naam. Hi. This is a simple yet effective way to let others know who you are. This translates to my name is your name. It's a straightforward phrase that can be used in various social settings. For example, if your name is John, you would say Mera naam John Hai. It's that simple. Practice saying it a few times to get comfortable. To ask someone their name, you can say Aapka naam kya hai? Aapka naam kya hai? This is a polite and friendly way to show interest in the other person. This means, what is your name? It's a great way to start a conversation and learn more about the person you're speaking with. Once you've exchanged names, it's polite to acknowledge the introduction. This helps to create a positive and respectful interaction. You can say Aapse milkar khushi hui, Aapse milkar khushi hui, which means pleased to meet you. This phrase conveys warmth and friendliness. Remember to speak clearly and make eye contact when introducing yourself. These non-verbal cues are important in making a good impression. It shows that you are confident and interested in getting to know the other person. Confidence and genuine interest can go a long way in forming meaningful connections. So the next time you meet someone new, remember these simple phrases and tips. They will help you navigate social interactions with ease and confidence. Building new connections can be a rewarding experience, opening doors to new friendships and opportunities. Happy connecting. Section 4. Negation in Hindi, saying no politely. Learning how to negate a sentence is crucial in any language, and Hindi is no exception. Understanding how to say no or not can help you navigate various social situations with ease and confidence. The most common way to negate a sentence in Hindi is by using the word nahi, N-H-I-N, which means no or not. Nahi is usually placed before the verb in a sentence. For example, to say I don't speak Hindi, you would say main Hindi nahi bolta, main Hindi nahin bolta for a male, or main Hindi nahi bolti, main Hindi nahin bolti for a female. To politely decline an offer, you could say nahi dhanyavad, nahin dhanyavad, which means no thank you. Remember to use nahi politely and respectfully. Adding a smile or a gentle tone can make your negation sound more courteous. Practice using nahi in different contexts to become more comfortable with it. Happy learning. Section 5. Personal pronouns, I, you, and we. Personal pronouns are essential for constructing sentences in any language. In Hindi, the most common personal pronouns are main, I, tum, you, informal singular, AAP, AP, you, formal singular, wo, VH, he/she/it, hum, we, yeah, this, wo, VH, that. The use of tum and aap for you depends on the level of formality and the person you are addressing. Tum is used with close friends and family members, while AAP is used for elders, strangers, and people in positions of authority. Understanding the different personal pronouns and their usage will allow you to construct grammatically correct sentences and communicate effectively in various social situations. Section 6. Where are you from? Sharing your roots. Sharing your nationality or place of origin is a great way to connect with others, especially when learning a new language. In Hindi, you can tell someone where you are from by saying Maine, your country city, Sehun, Maine, Apka Desha, Sehun. For example, if you are from America, you would say Maine, America, Sehun. If you are from London, you would say Maine, London, Sehun. To ask someone where they are from, you can say Aap kahan se hain, Aap kahan se hain. This means, where are you from? Learning to share your background and inquire about others' origins can lead to fascinating conversations and cultural exchanges. Section 7. Practice and next steps. Your Hindi journey continues. Congratulations on reaching the end of Lesson 2. You've learned a variety of essential Hindi phrases, from greetings and introductions to negation, personal pronouns, and stating your origin. Remember, the key to language learning is consistent practice. Try using these phrases in your daily life whenever possible, even if it's just greeting your pet in Hindi. You can also find language partners online or join local Hindi conversation groups to practice your speaking skills. In our next lesson, we will delve deeper into Hindi grammar, vocabulary, and culture. Until then, keep practicing and enjoy your Hindi learning journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons and deeper insights into Hindi, your journey to mastering Hindi. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons.